6 investments you can start with 100,000 naira in Nigeria.
Okay, so what in the world should make investment complex for you when you have me?
You see, all those terms where they use for investment, where they make you fear, say you know if you go put your money for somewhere where they go chop am. We go break them down for you for this video. Hi, I'm Funke Odode. I'm a business analyst, I'm a social media strategist, and a content creator. For this channel, we break down complex financial matters, making money, saving money, investing money, and business. If you want to chase financial freedom, there are 3 things you need to do. First, save 20% of your earnings. That means every money will come inside your hand, whether now your salary, whether now your side hustle, just make sure you save 20% of that money. 2, invest your savings. So if you do that job finish, or you contribute for one app finish, or now for bank you keep that money, guys, bring out that money, make you invest am. Make your money dey work for you. Now so you go take make passive income quietly in Nigeria. Number 3, acquire new skills. This one will help you boost your earning power. You don't see person wey get certificate wey no get skills. You know if you get better job, but if you get skills where you no even get school certification, you go even employ people wey get school certification. So skills dey important. Whether you buy courses or you go training or you dey do apprenticeship, just learn a skill. Let's talk about the first investment. It's the federal government bond. They call it the FGN bond. What's in the FGN bond? Now, one of the safest and most reliable way to invest money for Nigeria. Now, like loan, where you borrow give government, and government will pay you something in return. Now, they call the interest on your bond. They will pay you that interest every quarter until your money mature. When it mature, they will come pay you back your original money. So you see, you go don't collect all the interest even before you mature. And when you mature, you still collect your money. The current interest on the federal government's bond for savings, it's 18.483%. The federal government's bond, they divided into different categories. FGN savings bond is in 2 categories, the 2-year bond and the 3-year bond. So like it says, the 2-year bond is for a period of 2 years, will be 24 months. And the 3-year bond is a period of 3 years, will be 36 months. But the 10-year bond, according to its name, is for 10-year period. That one at 21.74% currently, as at December 30th. This federal government bond, they designed to help Nigerians invest their money with low risk and guaranteed returns. I consider them one of the safest means of investing money in Nigeria. Now, how much if you invest for the federal government savings bond? You fee start with as low as 5,000 naira and as high as 50 million naira. Bonds, they are available every month through the Debt Management Office. They call it DMO, or licensed stockbrokers. You get licensed stockbrokers where they deal with bonds. So if you approach them, make your research online. You will get all these kind of companies where you feel go their office, go talk to them. Which benefits these bonds gets? 1, you get low risk. You know, say investment comes with a lot of risk, but this bond, they very safe in risk. That is why the returns to no data high. It is backed up by the federal government, so it is secure. There is steady return. They go pay you interest every quarter. So you know could the day broke, you go always day liquid. Knowing say your money day somewhere, maybe your a day somewhere, yet they collect returns on them. So you go free use the money to do anything where you want to. Inflation no go meet them up, say okay, person owe your money till maybe the last day of maturity. You know waiting that one go cost for you. You need say if inflation meet them up, that money no be useful. Another benefit now the flexibility. I like them because it work for both short term and long term. So 2-3 years, that's the short term, and 10 years, that's the long term. How you fit take start? Visit CBN website or go any authorized dealers like banks. Open CSCS accounts, that is the Central Security Clearance System account. Buy FGN savings bond, which even work for small investors. Remember, see, I talk say you fit even start with 5,000 naira. So no be only 100,000. But me, I like my person do investment with better money if person get them. The second investment option now treasury bills. What is the treasury bill? Treasury bill na short-term government borrowing. It means you will see borrow government your money for a short-term period. This one they help people who no like long risk grow their money. You go give government small loan and they go pay you interest up front. So it depends on how much you get. Some people get better money to do them, while some people no get much and they still do them. We go talk about that one. For treasury bills, you get what they call bid because they bid for them. So the current bid rate for 91-day bills, last week that was 15 to 16%. For the 182 days bill, which is 6 months, that was 15 to 19%. While the 364 days bill, which is a year, is 17 to 24%. What will be the benefits of treasury bill? You get low risk. CBN the back arm, so it is secure. Well, flexibility. You fit do short-term period like just 3 months make you collect your money back. Then steady returns dey good for keeping your capital. You know that one go let you dey liquid. Say every 3 months you fit collect your money out if you wan use am. No be say person go tie your money for 1 year. If you want to choose 1 year, you go choose 1 year. You know say I talk say na 3 ways: 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. How you fit take start with 100,000 naira? Go meet your bank or stockbroker to buy your treasury bill. Enjoy your returns upfront or when e mature. The good thing about treasury bill be say if for instance you wan do treasury bill of 100,000 naira and the interest na 15% for 3 months, they go comot 85,000 naira. So that 15,000 naira na the 15% wey be the profit wey you suppose collect. So they go pay you upfront. Now when they return that money, they go still return your 100,000 naira to you. Is that not beautiful? So you go fit use your money do anything wey you want to, even before the money mature. You no need fear. Now one of the best ways to invest your money, I even call it save your money and invest your money this new year. The next investment na the money market fund. Wetin be money market fund? They dey call am MMF. Now one kind investment wey dey join people money together to invest am for low risk. Short-term investments like treasury bills, commercial papers and fixed deposits for banks. E good for people wey wan dey get steady returns on their investments and they go still fit withdraw their money anytime. When I say anytime, I mean anytime. What are the key features of the money market fund? E get low risk, e dey safe to invest, your money go come back to you. E dey stable and you no get high wahala for losses. You fit collect your money quick if you need am back. Most times between 24 to 48 hours. So it makes sense for emergency savings or short-term plans. The returns wey dey on top dey better pass savings. No go keep your money for savings account. E dey get better interest pass normal savings account. But the returns no high reach stocks or real estate. If you want video on how to invest in stocks and real estate, you fit check my playlist. I don provide one video for now. But if you want make I do am for Pidgin, put am for the comment section make I do that video for Pidgin again. If you dey enjoy my Pidgin English, abeg put am for the comment section. If you feel say I dey break down these complex investment matters, give me thumbs up. E get low minimum investment, so you fit start with 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 100,000 naira, 1 million naira. Small money wey you fit start with wey go make am dey convenient for you. That is why e dey very safe to invest for the money market fund. E dey managed by experts. Na professionals dey handle am. So they go make sure say your money dey safe and e go bring you better return. E dey diversified. Your money go dey spread over plenty investments. So the risk no go too plenty. How money market take dey work? They call am money pooling. That is, people go bring their money together to form one big fund. That is, you go bring 100k, me I go bring 5k, another person 10k, another person 1 million, another person 500,000, like that. People go come put them together. Now that money go form the funds. Now your experts go take go invest for you. So the fund managers go come use this money invest for treasury bills, for commercial papers, and for fixed deposits. You dey wonder how we go come take share this money? Yes, you go share them according to what you bring. Person will bring 5k, no fit collect the same returns wey person will bring 100k collect. Abi no be thief be that. So now according to what you bring, now you go collect. The benefit of money market fund be say the investment dey safe. E get better interest pass savings account. E get compound interest. So if you reinvest your profit, e go make your money grow even faster. The drawback for this one, that is the disadvantage, be say if inflation go catch you that period, your money no go make sense. So you get low returns. That is, you know, they pay like stocks, like real estate. You get that kind of thing now, but they very safe because you know they as risky as stock and real estate. Then you go pay some small fees. Those fund managers go collect fees for your money, but you know they much, and that one go reduce your profit small. How you fit invest? You go choose better fund managers. For example, no be say these people pay me, or I just dey use them. For example, Stanbic IBTC, ARM, AXA Mansard. Those ones are popular ones. We say they don't dey do them for a long time. They expert for this money market fund. Wetin you say go come do for yourself be say you go research their past record, their fees, and track their record. If they don't mess up for past before, cancel them. If the fees dey high, cancel them. You go compare them with other people's fee, how people don't talk about them, reviews and all of that. Go their website or office, open their account if you don't choose the one where you won't follow, and provide them your details and minimum investment amount where you want use. Monitor your investment to check how your money they perform and reinvest your profits in order for you to earn more. Who money market fund help? They help conservative investors. People will say they don't want risk much. I don't work for this money. I don't want risk am. This is just what I do for 1 year before I pack am. You can't say make I risk am. I don't feel risk am. Money market funds stay for you. Emergency savers. People will say now they save for emergency days. It dey okay for you when you do money market. because they want quick access to that money. Put am for money market fund because you fit collect am very quickly. Short-term planners, people wey dey save for short-term goals like house rent, school fees, things like that. Money market fund dey for you. For instance now, if you invest 100,000 naira for money market fund, that money market fund dey pay 10% returns per annum. After 1 year, you go make 10,000 naira profits. Plus say you fit withdraw anytime wey you need am. Na the advantage be that. The next investment option is agricultural crowdfunding. Wetin that one come mean? Na system wey people go join money together to support farming projects, and everybody go share the profits when they don get the proceeds. E dey help grow food supplies while you dey make better money. So wetin be the benefits? E get high returns. You fit make 15 to 30% yearly depending on inflation. Social impact is another benefit. E dey support rural farmers and food security for Nigeria. Another benefit be say you no get stress. You no need to dey farm by yourself. Na dem go handle am. All you need to do is to give them your money. So how you fit take start with 100,000 naira? Register for trusted platforms. Example na Farm Crowdy, Thrive Agric, Agromall. Then you go choose the kind farming project wey you want. They get those options for the app. You fit pick crops or livestock like rice, maize, poultry. Monitor your investment. For any investment wey you do, make you monitor am o. No talk say na funke talk say. You go dey track how your money dey grow through the platform. Since na app, just log into your app. Just like when you invest in stock, you go dey track your money now. Sometimes I go check my stock, I go see say e don drop. Sometimes I go check am, I go see say e don increase. At other times, especially if I wan sell the stock, I go dey monitor am to see anytime e increase small like this, I sell am off if I need the money. E dey good for people wey wan invest for agriculture but no wan do direct farming. You go dey make your own profits while you dey help promote food security. This investment option, I want make you pay attention well, my guys. If you never subscribe to this channel, oya, stop now, I dey wait for you. Go subscribe and like this video and comment for the comment section say you dey enjoy my work. Na that one go make me dey encouraged to put more videos and make more research on business ideas to start in Nigeria this year, best investment and savings options, how to make money, everything personal growth and financial growth. The best investment wey you fit ever make na to invest in yourself. With 50,000 naira or less, you fit learn skills wey go pay you for the rest of your life. E get hot skills wey you fit learn right now. Learn skills like digital marketing. You go dey promote products online for businesses and brands go dey pay you. Graphic design. You go dey create logos, posters and flyers. This one you fit even just learn am for Canva. Or you fit pay people wey go teach you directly. These are businesses to invest in this year. Video editing is another skill wey you fit learn. You go turn raw footage, polished content. Dey make people happy. Why you no go happy? You go earn better money if you dey do this skill, if you get the skill. Social media management na another skill. You go help brands dey grow their online presence. You go make correct money o. People dey manage 4, 5, 6 brands in a month and they dey collect different amounts for this brand. As you dey grow, as you dey build your portfolio, na you go dey collect more money. If you dey start out, you go dey collect 50k per month. But people wey don dey grow for this business, some of them dey collect 500k per month. Some of them dey collect better past that. Because no be just management they dey do, they dey add some other perks. This skill, anybody fit collect am from you? The answer is no. You fit even pass the skill to your children, to your younger ones, to people wey you love, and nobody fit collect the skill from you. So how you go take start? You go first pick skill wey you like, skill wey dey in demand and e fit your interest so that you no go tire. You fit learn online. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera and Skillshare dey offer affordable courses. Make you practice well. No stop for learning. Work on simple projects to manage and sharpen yourself. You fit even tell content creators to give you their jobs for free just to build portfolio and for you to get better. After you don build portfolio, you go dey show your work to potential clients. See wetin I don do this for this creator, I don do. Those people go pay you well pass wetin you even imagine because you don build your portfolio. You fit do am for friends, you fit do am for families for free. Then you go take that portfolio, put am together, go show people wey be your potential clients. Say, see the job wey I don do, see the job wey I don do. I fit do this one for you, I fit do this one for you, I fit help you actualize your dreams. You go come market yourself. Sign up on apps like Fiverr, like Upskill, like Upwork, and advertise on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on WhatsApp. For example, now if you fit spend 30,000 to learn video editing, I no talk say na the price wey they dey learn am. I know people wey dey use 500,000 to learn video editing, right? But for online, you fit spend 30,000 to learn am for all these affordable platforms. After you don practice with people, After 1 month, you fit land your first gig for 20,000 naira. And guess what? No be only 1 gig you go land, you go even land more. If you land 3 of that 20,000 naira gig, shey you never make pass the money wey you invest. And still, the skill nobody fit take am from you. Na lifetime you go still dey use am make more money. The thing be say, no stop learning. Make you dey upgrade yourself. Na the thing wey you suppose dey do this year be that. Buy courses, go online, learn skills you have passion for, and skills that make money in your own community and in your environment. Learn global skills because you no know when you go travel out. Global skills dey important. Even companies go dey look for you to employ. You will still keep upgrading these skills to dey competitive. Then diversify. If you be video editor, you fit add basic graphic designs to your service and make you reinvest. As you dey make money, make you dey put money back. Like me, when I get money from brands wey dey advertise with me, I dey put money back into my YouTube channel because na that way I fit dey reinvest into myself. And I dey take courses to get better. You go buy tools, equipment, gadgets wey go make your work get better. Investing in skills no be just about the money. E dey open doors. E dey build confidence, and e go give you freedom to work on your own terms. So, Phoebe Farms, which skill you go like start to learn today? Drop am for the comment section. Make I see you guys. I wan relate with you. I want make we build this community together. I want to hear from you. Make we grow together. And I'll suggest you watch this video next. If you made it through the new year, say hi in the comment section. I'm so glad to see you guys. If you're an OG, thank you for coming back. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, thank you for coming in. Please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be part of our community.